Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve the exercise of unit number 4. The name of the unit is pothole. Question number 1 from the exercise. What had happened to the car that Faiza saw from her window? The answer of this question is it was stuck in the road and needed to have a tire changed. When did a traffic jam occur and why? The traffic jam occurred on August 1st because of that pothole. How many accidents had taken place in 2 weeks? And the answer of this question is 9 accidents. Next question is which words are used to describe the pothole? The pothole is described as big, like a gaping mouth waiting for its next victim. Which things did Faiza collect? Faiza collected a basket, soil, compost, small flowering shrubs, a watering can full of water, 3 long lengths of wood, some board pins, and 3 large sheets of card. Where did Faiza place the 3 signs that she had made? Faiza placed one sign at each end of the road. Then she placed the third sign in the pothole garden. What made Faiza take action to fill the pothole? Give as many reasons as you can. She was worried about the safety of the children in the kindergarten next door. She had seen a lot of accidents. She had written a letter to ask for help and had not received any reply or help. Make a list of the types of accidents that took place because of the pothole. There are a range of accidents. Vehicles get struck. There are crashes and swerves that lead to crashes, damage to vehicles, a cart loses its load, and many other accidents. Here is a sentence from the story. Think about it and then answer the question. I'm not waiting a moment longer. Who said these words and when? I'm not waiting a moment longer. Faiza said these words after she had been keeping along for over 3 weeks. Which words best describe the mood of the speaker at this time? And the options are anger, sad, fed up, cheerful, determined. Anger and determined. Next question is what did the speaker do after this? After this, Faiza collects the materials that needs to that she is ready to build her pothole garden in the next morning. Did the speaker's actions have any effect? Yes, it attached the attention of lots of people, including the media and the town officials. The pothole is fixed properly as a result. Challenge. What do you think the mayor and the chief of police said when they saw the pothole garden? It is likely that they would thank Faiza, but they might also express their guilt and give their apologies. They might also mention that they would take action to fill the pothole and preserve the garden. Find the words from the following in the passage. A channel at the edge of a street is called gutter. 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 A class or school for every young child is called kinder, Kinder, Garten, kindergarten. A mixture of leaves and manure, compost. A small woody plant, shrub. The outer or topmost part of something is called surface. An unexpected and undesirable event, accident. Who might have said the following? You may wish to discuss each statement to describe who made it, when it was made, and where. First, I wish they would hurry up. It's so hot. The woman and one of the two children who were sheltering from the sun at the side of the road while the wheel of their car was being fixed. And that's another one, Faiza. Thanks to her, our children will be safe. A parent or teacher at the kindergarten. Please do something about it now. Faiza, in her letter, someone from the crowd to the mayor and the chief of police when they visit Faiza's Bothol garden. The editor will like this one. The photographer from the newspaper. Add capital letters and full stop to the following. कैपिटल लेटर, जैसा कि हम सेंटेंस कोई भी स्टार्ट करते हैं तो फर्स्ट लेटर विल बी ऑलवेज कैपिटल. मलिहा एंड मारिया नाउन भी हैं और नाउन क्या होता है, हमेशा कैपिटल फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है. मलिहा एंड मारिया बोथ वेंट टू सेंट मैरीज स्कूल. अब नेम है तो अगेन एस कैपिटल आएगा, मैरीज का एम कैपिटल आएगा और स्कूल का एस कैपिटल आएगा. और यहाँ पे ये सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो रहा है तो फुल स्टॉप लगाएंगे. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस शुरू हो रहा है तो टी क्या हो जाएगा, कैपिटल होएगा. दे वर इन क्लास 3, बात मुकम्मल हो गई. देयर का टी कैपिटल आएगा. देयर टीचर वाज कॉल्ड मिस शमा, मिस शमा का एस कैपिटल आएगा और एंड पे फुल स्टॉप. शी अगेन स्टार्ट के सेंटेंस के स्टार्ट में है तो एस को हम कैपिटल कर देंगे. शी वॉज अ वेरी गुड टीचर, फुल स्टॉप. शी वोर शलवार कमीज़, फुल स्टॉप. शी का एस कैपिटल. शी कैरीड अ ब्लैक हैंड बैग, फुल स्टॉप. दा का टी कैपिटल आएगा. गर्ल्स फादर वर्क इन द कमर्शियल बैंक ऑन ज़ेबुन निसा स्ट्रीट, फुल स्टॉप आएगा. स्ट्रीट का एस कैपिटल होगा और ज़ेबिन निसा का जी कैपिटल लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट है हमारे पास अंडरलाइन द प्रीपोजिशंस इन द फॉलोइंग, देन राइट न्यू सेंटेंसेस ऑफ योर ओन यूजिंग द प्रीपोजिशंस. सबसे पहले देखें, द कारपेट अंडर द टेबल वाज ओल्ड. अंडर इज प्रीपोजिशन. द रिवर अंडर द ब्रिज इज फ्लोइंग वेरी स्विफ्टली. अंडर. The fence round the house fell down, round. The cat fell into the puddle, into. Flying the aeroplane past the town was not easy, past. Fill the blanks with the correct form of verb. Faiza dash back to her room. ऑप्शन में go है, ये चेंज होगा went में. The children of the kindergarten dash delighted, be were. She dashed the piece of wood into the soil, pushed. Faiza dash it all together mixed. Cars and dash carefully round the garden drove. Next is composition. Pretend that you were the photographer who took photographs of Faiza's pothole garden. Draw a picture and write a short report about it for the newspaper. ड्राइंग आप अपनी पसंद से करेंगे। यहाँ पे मेरे पास एक रिपोर्ट है, आप इसको देखें कि दिस इज़ फाइजाज पोथोल गार्डन एंड इनोसेंट वे टू रजिस्टर हर प्रोटेस्ट बट अ ब्रिलियंट वे टू सॉल्व अ प्रॉब्लम. She filled this hole to save people from accidents. She has filled it with soil from her garden and has also planted flowers in it. It has become easier for the people to see the pothole from a distance and avoid it. She has not only solved the problem of pothole but also made the road more beautiful. This is wonderful effort on the part of a child. The people have praised her efforts and the mayor has taken a special notice also.